Hey girls, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very unique and very beautiful because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, exquisite and eye-catchy latest trendy collection of boatneck hand embroidered kurti designs, boatneck hand embroidered designer Indian dresses, designer frocks, designer gowns, maxis. You can wear these along with your white trousers, white plazos, or any type of denim pants, capris, or any type of tights or leggings you want to wear. So all of these designs are highly designer patterns, unique and trendy and easy to make hand embroidery patterns, and you can make them at your home by following these color combination and exact embroidery patterns. And friends, for watching more creative, beautiful and beautifully designed, easy to make handwork, hand art ideas, girls fashion designing ideas, girls dress designing ideas, baby dress designing ideas, home decor, everyday DIY creativities, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my video if you will like my today's ideas, and comment below this video and let us know how you find our designs and what you want us to share with you in the near future. So hope to see you soon back in my new video. Up till then, take care of yourselves.